Hi everyone, welcome to the fourth video in the projection of points series. In this session, I am going to explain problems 7, 8, these problems from the ND Bhatt textbook exercise. I hope you have already watched my previous 3 videos because that will help you understand today's concepts clearly and without any confusion. So let's get started with the next set of problems in projection of points. Yeah. So problem number 7. A point P is 20 mm below horizontal plane and lies in the third quadrant. Its shortest distance from the XY is 40 mm. Draw its projections. The point is in third quadrant and 20 mm below the horizontal plane. So 20 mm below the horizontal plane means I am going to maintain 20 mm below. This is my 20 mm below distance. 20 mm below horizontal plane and lies in third quadrant. Next, its shortest distance. Its shortest distance from XY line is 40 mm. Draw its projections. So its shortest distance 40 mm. So this is XY line. From this, we will draw an arc. This arc indicates the shortest distance, that is 40 mm. So this is your point P dash. That is your point P dash. Now you will project this to here. And you will identify this distance. How much this distance? The distance. You will directly measure by using the scale when you are going to draw conventional drawing practice. Or in AutoCAD, you can directly find out by using the command dim linear. You can put dimension. Okay. And now what we will do is you can to see this top view. You will rotate like this. That is your point. So once you identified this height, you directly draw in the AutoCAD simply x and y. This is say height, suppose 34. So this is your P and this is your point, and below 20 mm, that is your P dash. So vertical plane and horizontal. So in this way you will construct in AutoCAD. Okay. So eighth problem. Problem number 8. A point capital A is situated in the first quadrant. Its shortest distance from the intersection point of horizontal plane and vertical plane and auxiliary plane is 60 mm and its equidistance from the principal planes. Draw the projections of the point and determine its distance from the principal planes. So for that, I am going to draw first xy. Okay, x1, y1. So this is over. In the problem, shortest distance from the intersection of points vertical plane and horizontal plane, that is 60 mm is given. So shortest distance, this one is from the intersection of both horizontal plane and vertical plane. This is the point. So this is the point A. In side view, we will represent as A double dash because it is the shortest distance. So if you want to find out the front view and the top view, for find out the top view, so you will draw projection like this and look at the point N. O and N, with O and N, take a radius and draw an arc. From this, you will draw like similarly, you can extend this line up to M and extend like this. So now you will draw your projections. So this point is A dash and this point is A. So you will measure this distance. You will measure this distance how much, and also you will measure this distance how much. Remaining, and you can place your dimension text. Here it is 45 degrees. The point is in first quadrant A and A dash. And you can construct in AutoCAD. Okay. Now I am going to explain problem number 7 and 8 in AutoCAD. So okay. Now I will open AutoCAD. First, draw XY line. For that I am going to copy this one. Okay. And draw another line with some distance. Okay. Match this one to this one. Okay. One is horizontal plane and one other one is vertical plane. For that I am going to move this vertical plane line to here. Okay. Now what we will do is draw 20 line offset from this horizontal line. So for that O offset 20 enter. So this is our line. Change into line. Okay. Next. Now draw 40 arc. So now I am going to draw radius 40 R enter 40 enter. So this is the point. Here I am going to put one point PO enter. This is point. I trim this one and this one. Remove this. Okay. For that, just dim radius. What? Next one. Point number. Point name is P dash. Put P dash. Copy. P dash. Next, draw a line from this point to this point. You can also find out this distance by dim linear. This distance and this distance. 34.6 mm. And you will draw arc from this point to this point. So for that I am going to draw a circle, center, and this is the radius. Trim this one. Remove this. P shifted to the top view here is shifted to here like this. So now this is your distance 34.6. So that you can draw here, just draw one line. Similarly, you can move, copy these move here, copy this one, VD X. Okay, draw a line 34.6. Draw a line from this point to this point 20 using do not 0 1.5. Put here 1 point and here 1 point. Dim linear. Here you can place your dimension here and here. Similarly, copy. Here you can place your vertical plane. Now you can place your point names. CO. Here you can place. This is your point P. VD. V dash. O. That's it. So this is your problem 7. VD. Change the problem number 7. Next, problem number 8. Problem number 8. You will draw XY line and X1 Y1 line. Again, I am going to copy this one. Control C. Change 8. So remove these points. Yes. Now, in our problem, draw a line 45 degrees with the distance of 60 mm. So for that, I am going to draw a line 45 degrees 60. So that is my point. That is my point A double dash. ED A double dash. Okay. So if you want to draw a line to get the actual projections, so here also you can draw a projection. Copy CO. This one is M. This one is N. ED. Consider as N. This one is considered as M. Okay. Now draw a circle from this point to this point. Trim. Remove this one. Draw a line. So somewhere you can draw your projection. Okay. Trim and trim. So put do not 0 0. Here your first point and here your second point. Okay. Now copy. This is your A dash and A. ED. This is your A dash A. If you want to increase this size, you will increase. Okay, dim linear here and here. That is the distance. This is the distance. 42.4 mm. And you want to place this dimension also dim align 60 mm. So this is the shortest distance from the intersection of the horizontal plane and vertical plane. So in side view, it is represented as a double dash. To project the front view, you just draw a line like this and draw a top view up to extend this top view up to n, and from this point you will draw 45 degrees line also like this. You will draw 45 degrees line, or else you will draw circle from this point taking as center and this one as radius. Okay, your wish. So with this I'm going to stop this video. In the next video I'm going to explain problem number 9 and problem number 10 in this series. Okay, thank you.